Professor Dave again. Let's talk more pronouns.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
It's time to learn another pronoun, the pronoun ci. To be clear, this has the same spelling as the pronoun we saw in our direct and indirect object pronouns, as well as reflexive pronouns lessons, but it is not the same. Let's recall a few clauses. Ci invitate? Sì, vi invitiamo. Ci mandate una cartolina? Naturalmente, vi mandiamo sempre cartoline quando viaggiamo. Noi ci alziamo sempre presto la mattina. Now we want to learn another usage of ci, which is closer to something we went over quite a bit earlier in the series, when we learned how to say, c'è una barca nel laghetto. Here, ci has been shortened to si with an apostrophe because the following verb starts with a vowel. Ci sono due barche nel laghetto. Ci remains intact because the verb starts with a consonant. In this context, ci means there, here, or to there. And just like ne, it is invariable. Italians call this ci locativo, and it is used with all sorts of places. These can be cities, countries, restaurants, or just a particular room. Vai al cinema? Sì, ci vado. Vai a Milano? No, non ci vado. Dormi sulla poltrona? Sì, ci dormo. Mangi in cucina? No, non ci mangio. As you can see from these examples, ci doesn't need to respect any agreement with the word it substitutes. Now we will highlight a second use for this pronoun. There are verbs in Italian that are constructed with the preposition a. The presence of this preposition will prevent you from using any lo, la, li, or le pronoun because these are direct pronouns. So we use the invariable ci instead, and in this case it's called ci argomentale. Here are some of the verbs that will use this pronoun. Pensare a, credere a, riuscire a, rinunciare a, provare a. These are the most common ones. In these cases, ci takes the meaning of about it or about them, which in Italian sounds more like of it or of them. Pensi alle vacanze? Sì, ci penso sempre. Pensi alla morte? No, non ci penso mai. Pensi ai soldi? Sì, ci penso spesso. Credi ai marziani? Sì, ci credo. Credi a Babbo Natale? No, non ci credo. Riesci a montare questo scaffale? Io non ci riesco. Io ci rinuncio. A third use for this pronoun is called ci pleonastico or idiomatico. This is a fancy way of saying superfluous or unnecessary. You may hear it in colloquial Italian, but it doesn't have any specific meaning. It just gives more emphasis to the expression. Hai la macchina? No, io non ce l'ho. Sono così stanca. Non ce la faccio più. Io qui non ci capisco niente. Non sono troppo brava, ma almeno ci provo. Ci metto un'ora per arrivare a scuola. Che buio, io non ci vedo niente. Maria non mi parla più. ce l'ha con me. Puoi aiutarmi a chiudere questa valigia? Io non ci riesco. Now we have a number of applications for the pronoun ci. So in order to make sure we have everything under control, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.